Hey, this is Jordan from Rapido, and today we're unboxing our second batch. This is the second batch of our first release of all new Atoscale CF7s. I have most of them already laid out here, and now I'm going to open a Kodachrome unit. First off, this is the best part. Oh yeah, there you go. Just taking that plastic wrap off. Anyways, I'm going to take the sleeve off. Put that over there. Put the box off to the side. Of course, you get stickers, and you get CF7 stickers. Those are new. There's your operating manual, must read. You'll want to read that before you dig into your locomotive and put it on the track. Foam top. We do have a little bit of a parts bag here. This has ACI labels. I don't really know why you need that for a 1980s Kodachrome locomotive, but it's possible it still would have been there. And of course, the locomotive itself. Take the foam bits out. There we go. Throw that off to the side carefully. And there you have it, a Kodachrome CF7. Now, of course, the Kodachrome CF7s never existed because the Santa Fe retired them before this paint scheme actually ever went into effect. But, I mean, come on. Look at it. Looks tremendous. And we've got two numbers as well. So looking at the paint schemes that we have available in this second batch, of course, we have Kodachrome. We have the very popular Bicentennial. Again, this didn't really exist in real life, but, I mean, how could we not do a Bicentennial a CF7, especially this year. We also have Amtrak, so we have the later Amtrak units that were kind of silver with the black underframe and roof. The very cool Amtrak 594, this was a unique locomotive that was assigned to Los Angeles Union Station. We have Los Angeles Junction in a variety of different road numbers. We also have Maryland and Pennsylvania. And we have a couple of Home Shops exclusives, including the Farland Terminal Railroad and the Alabama Central. Now, for the most part, we are fully reserved here at Rapido. I think the only ones we have left, I believe the orange unlettered version, as well as we have one number of Washington Central, which is still available through rapidotrains.com. Apparently we have one less available through rapidotrains.com, but they are available through your dealer, so please see your dealer or visit rapidotrains.com to get your orders in while supplies last. That being said, we do have a new run of CF7s coming very soon, so you want to stick around for that. I believe that's coming up maybe even later this month with a bunch of cool new paint schemes. Like I said, get your orders in today for your first run, either the first batch or the second batch of Santa Fe CF7s, and we will see you soon for another look at CF7s very soon.
Lunatics!